Stop there. Yeah. If you buck, send me the video.
I think he's already a lot better behaved than Kenya.
You see the love.
You want me to? Okay. Do you want me to take you home?
I think she just has extreme confidence in you.
I do.
Hey, this is a stud, so watch out.
Okay, you mean just get her away?
Yeah, just back him up a little bit. This is a stud.
Not for long. He's not going to be a stud for long.
No, baby, that's not. No, that's horses. Those are horses. You know you have one right at the back, you did have. He just walked away.
You can't have none. You can't have none. No.
Canner. I'll give you a couple strides. Good boy.
Look at that.
You look smooth, Trey.
I like that sound.
You do.
With the
Got you moving a stove. Now you got your top.